third shutout in his last 5 games. They were now on an exciting game. Lightning Bolt in Atlanta. Speaking of excitement, Mark Recchi touched the puck and goes to Malone. Marty St. Louis eventually gets to 11th. Recchi gets his 1,399th career point. Not enough to eventual winner. But Joey Pratt is second career. Just right there, fourth base. Picked up a helper on this one like the fourth helper. The tough guy's cut. They're a Pelican. And they're giving Moose his part of the season. He's got to get short base. Tampa loses another. Wild in St. Louis. Taking on a battered St. Louis squad. First of his career. Many had a chance to tie this up. Watch Nico Kobe, number 9, coming in. Watch it from the rebound. Had a chance to tie it. Goes off the post. He thought he had scored. The Armies go up. They don't. Eventually put an empty netter in this one. And Minnesota loses this one. Gavin's back, not helping offensively tonight.
Go away.
Blue Jackets, Coyotes. Couple of beauties in this one. One by Carl Bach. They win that one by a score of 2-0. I got my who's been naughty already and who's been in a way. Ron, you might make that list. Kelly, you did it. No. Hear that? No, we're not listening. 30 seconds of our never leveling for UPJ. 8 minutes of Garden Audio. That was super job. We recorded that post-game survey. By the way, here's the scene in Toronto right now. So, Sad, get on the phone to Rudolph. And apparently, Mike's flight's been canceled. It's just going to be one of these Christmas weeks.